This video will serve as a tutorial for using Canva to design a graphic. And so I have already signed up for a free Canva account, and I am going to log in using my email account. I'm now on the home page of the Canva website, and I'm going to look for a template to use for a poster that I want to create. And so I click on more, and there will be options to choose from. So I'm going to select the photo collage template. So if I look at the left-hand side, I can scroll down and see different templates that I can choose. I'm going to look for a free template, and I know that it's free because it has the word free that pops up when I hover over it. So I simply click on this template. The first thing that I want to show you is how to change the background of the template. Right here, this box will give you the option. Click on it, and you can choose any color that you would like to use. You can also go over to background and choose a different background. If I want to change the design of the template, I can always move the boxes around. I can also enlarge them or decrease the size. Another option is deleting the design or the photo that's already there. I can also click on the boxes that are here and change the color as well. Another feature that I want to show you is adding text. So I'm going to simply move that photo down and delete this photo so I have room to add a title. I'm going to click on the text box over here, and I can choose any of the free options that I see here on the left-hand side. You just click on it, and it will populate on your template. You can change the size. You can also change the color of the font. You can also change the words by typing right in the box. Another option to change the font is to click on this drop-down button, and you can scroll through and look for free fonts, which means it will not have a crown next to it. So I'm just going to simply click to find the font that I would like. You can also add additional text boxes by scrolling up to the top, and you can select one of the 3 different size headings. So I'm going to click in the box and type in another heading. I'm just going to slide it down. If there is a change that you make that you do not like, you can simply hit this undo button, or you can hit the redo button and it will change it back. You also have the option to upload photos. If there's a particular photo that you want that is on your device, you can upload it, or you can go to their gallery by going to photos. and finding again a free photo to use. And so I'm going to resize this. I'm going to get rid of that. And I'm going to scoot this right here. I'm going to find another photo. And again, I can resize it any way I like, and I can place it anywhere I want to as well, just by clicking on it and dragging it. Another feature that I want to show you is the elements feature, where you can insert lines or shapes from their gallery. So here is a design. I'm going to take that shape out, and I'm going to squeeze this zigzag shape here. I'm going to click on it, and I'm also going to, let's change the color. So there are so many different options that you can choose to create your poster, your vision board, or a presentation. Whatever your assignment is, we want you to feel comfortable with using Canva, and we hope that you are able to create some awesome work for your assignments. And finally, I want to show you how you can share your design with others. So if you go to the right-hand corner and click on the three dots, there are several options for you. You can select download, and your Canva design will download as a PDF. You can click on share link, and you will get a shareable link that you can send to someone. Or you can click email, and you would type in someone's email address, hit send, and they would be able to view your Canva design.